Common one-celled organisms found in pond water are the protozoa, of which there are thousands of types. Like algae, they too belong to the protists, but protozoa are more animal-like than plant-like. Protozoa means first animals, and they may very well resemble some of the first single-celled organisms that lived on Earth billions of years ago. Among the most common protozoa is the Paramecium, of which there are many types. These organisms resemble tiny slippers as they swim about looking for food. Paramecia are covered by rows of short, hair-like strands called cilia, which are visible here along their outer edges. A protozoan that has cilia on any part of its body is called a ciliate. Most of the protozoa you will encounter are ciliates. Paramecium moves by beating its cilia and spinning its body in a spiral motion. In open water, it can reach remarkable speeds. It is one of the fastest protozoa. In tight spaces, a paramecium is able to bend its body back on itself in order to make a sharp turn. They can distort their bodies to squeeze into narrow channels. They can contort their body so much it can be difficult to tell what they are. A paramecium eats by swimming back and forth through pond debris, feeding mostly on bacteria. A paramecium doesn't have a mouth. Instead, it has an oral groove. This is a channel along the side of its body which directs food into its gullet or stomach. You can see the oral groove more clearly as Paramecia rotate their bodies. When you examine the interior of a paramecium, you will notice several round structures that open and close. These are called contractile vacuoles and work like little pumps as a protozoan takes in and expels water. The vacuoles maintain the proper amount of water within a protozoan. You can learn a lot more about an organism by drawing it as you observe it. Your pictures don't have to win any awards. They're merely meant to help you become a better observer. Sometimes you will come across what appears to be two paramecia connected at the ends. This is actually a single paramecium reproducing itself in a process called fission. A single paramecium may divide up to 3 times in a single day. Other times you may encounter 2 paramecia joined at the sides. This is called conjugation. It is sometimes confused with fission, but it is not. During fission, a single paramecium reproduces itself lengthwise. During conjugation, 2 paramecia join at the sides in order to exchange cell material. Conjugation enables organisms to live longer and to better adapt to their environment. As you examine organisms under a microscope, you may wonder how small they really are. This may give you an idea. These are paramecia swimming about within an eye of a needle. As you can see, they are very small indeed.